Hey, Matt here with 911R, and we have this Kirkham 427 SC Cobra that is up on auction right now. I want to go around and talk about the car, but first let's talk about the power plant in it, because that's what makes these cars really magical. Look around the other side. This car has a 428 Cobra jet motor in it. It was done by FE Specialties. That's all they do is these engines, so they're really well known for exactly what this motor is. It's a very, very strong motor. I had it out for a test driving, watched that video. This thing absolutely rips. It pulls like a, just like a freight train. But everything on this car is done exactly how it should be. It has lots of all the attributes of how these cars were built from the factory when they were new. That's what I really like about Kirkham. They are more of a continuation than a replica. They build the frame, the chassis, everything exactly how Cobra was done. If you're also to order a Cobra from Cobra America or Shelby America, they would be getting a Kirkham body and chassis to be building your continuation car. So, it's the same thing as a continuation car, but it's just this was done under the Kirkham name. It's an all aluminum body. It has the correct tubular round tube style frame underneath it. It has independent rear end, knockoff Hellbrand wheels, correct style seating, dash. All the configuration on this car is how a 427 Cobra would have been from Shelby in 1965. This car is, you can see, has the brushed finish body. If somebody wanted to have it polished, it wouldn't take that much to polish this body out. But definitely you can tell, if it had any flaws, you'd be able to see it, because this is just as raw as it can be. There's no filler, no straightener, nothing that would make it different than seeing the bare aluminum body. But looking in the trunk, it's all correct. It has the stainless steel roll hoop on it that's been polished. The wood steering wheel, the correct Smith's gauges. This car has a Tremix, I believe it's 600 5-speed gearbox on it. So it makes it really nice having that extra gear. You got the Ray Dot racing style mirrors on it. Just everything about the car is just as raw and purpose-built as it can be. This thing is fast, it's light, it's easy to drive, and really, really fun. I thoroughly enjoyed doing the test drive video of this car. Any questions about the car, please let us know. Hit the contact seller button if you have any questions about it, or if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, we'd love to hear from you. Again, use the contact seller button. Thank you very much. Good luck.